morning, friends. We as people have freedom of choice, but Spirit is saying it's time for us to make that choice. We must make a decision now so you can move forward. Everybody's things are different. They say you must embrace the in between, and where you have difficulty, please speak to your angels. You've got out of your comfort zone and the world is your oyster. Don't hold yourself back. There's great fortune coming into your life. They say don't allow bumps in the road to hinder your progress. They also want you to clear up communication problems that you have had with others. It's your harvest time now. They say someone, the person that was trying to create a wedge into something you want, there's good things gonna come of that. They say something that you're asking for is coming your way, and it's gonna come your way in a very happy way. They say you carry on dreaming your world into being, and your angels say yes. The progress forward is going to be for the better. You're in a position of authority over your own life, and you must make the bold, ambitious choices. You can, great progress is possible for you. They say that you must keep your heart and your mind open. As far as family wishes go, they're going to come true. The things in the world are coming to full circle, and there's great opportunities that are going to come your way. You're not going to be stuck anymore. They say that you must work with others to make a situation come about and trust the divine detours. Don't stop whatever you do. You've worked out issues in your life. Stay open to receiving. The world card is here, and they say there is going to be very happy endings. There are things that are going to come to full circle, and there's lots of spiritual growth and insight coming our way. You must be careful of great pride, but you are going to get victory news very soon. It's going to make you want to celebrate and have fun and enjoy because you are on a new path, a happy new you. And your loved ones say, simplify your life. You've had so much going on that you've spread too thin. This has to change now so your vitality can recharge. Have a lovely day, everybody. I love you all.